What's up, guys? Christopher Ramirez coming at you with another review video on a product called LiteApp Studio. Okay, so basically, what the product does is it helps you to create an application that can be installed on any kind of mobile device and just direct link to whatever you want. Okay, and it's pretty much another variation of like push notification, but in the form of an app being installed on whatever the device is, whatever mobile device it is, whether it's a tablet, iPhone, Android, Windows tablet, etc., etc. So as far as this is what I usually say about the products like this: anything that helps you to increase your reach, that's more innovative than actual email, okay, get it. Invest in the tool and add it to your arsenal of tools, whether it be the email marketing or any kinds of Facebook bots, okay? Apps also, they create a viral effect because people, they engage the app, they want the app, they install the app on their phone, okay? All that, I'm sure, is in the training on how you do it. All right, I actually saw the joint venture page and watched the entire video of how powerful the app is. They didn't even have to have anybody speak on the video. And I just watched the video and seen the power of that kind of another variation of push notifications to anything you want to promote when the app's installed on their phone. Okay, it could be anything, and that's very interesting. Okay, so yeah, whatever that email that you came from, just go back in and get the app. I believe it's $67. That's nothing. I'm not sure if it's one time. I didn't actually look that far if it's a one-time fee, but yeah, from what I've seen, it looked like the front end was $67 for the app, and there may be some upsells, and if there is, if it's within your budget, test it out. A lot of these vendors are pretty good about refund policies. Okay, so don't freak out. Be like, oh, I'm down $67. This, that, and the third. Don't freak out about that at all. And just, if you don't like a product, just get a refund. I'm sure they're good for that. So yeah, definitely see what it is. If you want to give LiteApp Studio, I want to say, yeah, LiteApp Studio a try and see if it's for your business. And like I said before, if it's not for you, just get a refund. All right. That said, you made it this far. There's gonna be some links in the description on something that I'm doing that is completely free to start. Okay, so you can put your credit card away, your wallet away. Okay, it's not $67 to start this. Okay, but if you're on this video, I already know you more than likely are a more advanced, seasoned marketer, intermediate to more seasoned, because you want to see a review of what others have to say. So you took to YouTube once you got the email. Usually that's the case in the pattern of this. And how other people discover these videos, to see if it's for them. I'm always, like I said, I'm always for try it out. Not for you, get a refund. These big affiliate networks are pretty. They pretty much do push the whole have that in place. Unless you want to make it explicitly clear that there's a no refund policy. It's whatever. But give it a try, guys, and click that link in the description to see what I'm into. That's helping me to generate revenue, another form of monetization for the YouTube aspect of everything. Okay, and for those that do act and actually click the link and message me on Facebook, it will say message me on Facebook. You can hit me up once you click send the messenger or send to message or whatever it says. You can start talking to me. I will answer you, all right? I'm on the other side of the line. I get the notification. Hey, what's up? I saw your video. Already had a guy hit me up, want me to promote one of his products, some kind of YouTube tool that is like an exchange. Another variation of similar products like Joshua Zamora has. If you don't know who he is, he's just another internet marketer that's strictly on YouTube marketing. Which is why I'm here and I take to YouTube, because committing to this whole YouTube project and helping others succeed also with the YouTube training that's on the other side when you act and join up for free. Okay, it's not $67 like the product that you're looking to invest into. Okay, but anyhow, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like the video. Be sure to like the video. I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help grow the channel. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next review video of something. Peace.